Before I forget, this gigantic thing from Tropical Smoothie Cafe is exactly the reason why I had to go pee. How embarrassing. What's up everybody, it's your girl Rishay here, back again with another video. Today it's going to be my first ever thrift haul. But first, okay, so today's adventure, you guys, is going to be La Madeleine. It looks delicious. It's a very fancy French restaurant. This is my breakfast, guys. I am so happy. Okay, back to the video. Alright, so we're here at Encore for Women, and I really love this shop because I get really good things from there. So, yeah, let's go ahead. There we go, that's perfect. I have to go to the bathroom. I can't think right now. Where is it? Not that way? Alright, so the elevator was scary, so I'm just gonna take the stairs back down to Encore for Women. Oh my god. This yellow is so beautiful. If I could find this yellow at a regular thrift store, I swear to God I'd be so happy. But guys, they have YSL here. Alright, so I just left Encore for Women and I got me a nice, well actually I'll just let y'all know when we're done and I do my final haul. But after we do the final haul, I'm excited to show you guys, like, I think I'm gonna actually separate, like, I don't know, because technically they're all considered thrift stores, but the ones that I've been shopping at lately, like Encore for Women or Too Good to Be Through, those are consignment stores, so they actually sell, like, really, really nice, high-quality stuff for cheap. Like barely used to. Come on. So I don't know if I should separate that in a different video or not, and then just do thrift store hauls like Goodwill and all the smaller thrift stores, because they're better quality, as you can see, or as you're gonna see in the video or have already saw in the video. Some of these places have Louis Vuitton and Jimmy Choo and all of these beautiful designers stuff. And Goodwill doesn't have that stuff. I should probably turn off the radio because I'm gonna get demonetized. But Goodwill doesn't have any of that stuff. And so, like, I don't know, I feel like I should separate it, like consignment store. But no one's gonna know what that is. So it's gonna be clickbaited or something, like thrift store haul or whatever. But we're gonna do that one. I have no idea where I'm going because I'm going to the next one. So I ended up going to Too Good to Be Through. Oh my god, this yellow. Okay, no, this yellow's not good enough. If you haven't noticed, I have to touch and feel every fabric because, like, I don't know. I'm a seamstress and I have to be able to feel the texture, see if it's right, if I would like it on my body. Oh, this is cute. Let me put this back. $3.99. We'll try it on. Why not? This one's cute too, but not worth $3.99. Alright, so I'm on the second level, guys. Look, it's me! Look at all all the bags here, guys. Even Coach, all these fancy things. Ooh, 75% off. I'm looking through this rack. Look at this mannequin's Vogue pose. Feeding my shoe obsession. You guys know I love shoes. Look at that, Calvin Klein and Steve Madden. Okay, guys, I am living right now. I had to try them on. I'm so sorry, but I had to try them on. Alright, so we might get these. Maybe. We'll see. I'm tired, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go home and show you guys what I got, eat, continue working on the projects. I'm also gonna finish measuring everything and documents. See you guys later.